How to access Telegram if you forget passcode. So sometimes what happen is you might have set a password to access Telegram, and if you forget your passcode to access the Telegram app, then how can we do is simply, if there is any fingerprint adding option, then you can easily open that fingerprint option and you can easily toss the sensor with your finger and you can easily access to your Telegram. If you even forgot your passcode, it does not matter there, because you can easily access to your Telegram app by scanning your fingerprint. But if there is no any option to enter or scan your fingerprint, then you have to enter your passcode anyway. Even if you forget, you have to remember and do it. But if you don't know the passcode, then the only way is simply you need to go and tap and hold the Telegram app and select this app info page, where you need to open the app info page of Telegram and select storage uses. Here you need to clear the cache and all the data of the Telegram. So clearing data will fix all your issue, and it will also clear your passcodes for Telegram application. But if clearing data also asks for the passcode, then you cannot clear the data in some of the devices. So the other way, instead of clearing data, is to uninstall the application. You can tap on the uninstall button and you can tap on OK and again reinstall the application from the App Store or the Play Store. For that, let's go and open the Play Store or the App Store and search for Telegram. You have to tap on install and install the app again. So once you open the Telegram app and check that there is no any passcode that we have to fill up in order to access Telegram application, so you have to start messaging and you can easily enter your country code and the phone number and easily log into your Telegram account and access to the Telegram account again. So that is how we can easily access Telegram even if we forgot the passcode. I hope this video worked. If this video worked, then make sure to hit the like button, share this video and comment on this video so that we can know the feedback from you. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.